Let's also get you the latest in the police investigations into the spot fixing scandal. The cricketers and bookies in custody are being interrogated for the third straight day in the capital. Sources are telling CNN IB that Sreesanth resisted arrest by the Delhi police. Sources also say Sreesanth was in a sedan when the police approached him in an SUV and he reportedly threw his cell phone at them. We're told he mellowed after seeing the bookies in police custody. Sources say bookies used the name of the underworld D Company to threaten players. Sources also telling us that Dawood's key Lieutenant Tiger Memon manages the betting operations of his empire. The other key names that have surfaced are that of Sunil Dubai and Manoj Metro. Meanwhile, Delhi police has admitted to lapses in its investigations. Take a look.
हम लोग को जल्दी थी कि उनको पकड़कर वहाँ दिल्ली बॉम्बे से हम दिल्ली ले आए, तो उस शीघ्रता में हम बहुत कुछ काम जो हमें करना चाहिए था हम नहीं कर पाए.
D Company's name is coming in from day one. What had happened was that the phone transcripts showed that over 50 calls were routed to Dubai and Karachi. These are the areas where these men head from. And also what they're coming in right now, the transcripts show that when Ankit made the mistake of not giving them the indication, that's when they were called in by the bookies, and bookies used the name of D Company's close confidant and the India betting syndicate manager Memon, and Memon's name was used. That Tiger was not happy with the way they are behaving. So these are some of the points significantly coming in right now. Also, we know that Manoj Metro and Sunil Dubai, whose names are coming in, who works with close proximity to Tinku Mandi, who's been arrested, are men of actually Tiger Memon, and Tiger Memon finally works from Dawood. So these are some of the links which are clearly emerging right now. While Delhi police continues to maintain a mum on who exactly is the mafia element involved in it, they are clearly saying right now the mastermind of all this is staying somewhere outside India.